Listen, you've been running from your own potential for too long, and you know it. You feel it every night before you sleep and every morning when you wake up. That quiet voice saying, enough, it's time to change. This is that moment. You're tired of starting over, tired of breaking promises to yourself, tired of watching days, months, even years pass while nothing around you and nothing inside you truly shifts. You keep telling yourself one day, but one day keeps running away from you. You know this is true. Your discipline slips, your motivation fades, your mind gets heavy, your spirit gets quiet. And every time you try to rise, the same doubts pull you back down. You've been living stuck between who you are and who you know you were meant to become. And that war inside you is real. But listen closely. This is where everything changes. Because the version of you that keeps losing, that version is not permanent. It's not destiny. It's not who you were created to be. You were built for more. You were built with strength, with purpose, with a fire that life tried to bury, but never killed. Imagine the man you can become if you start now. Imagine the discipline you'll carry, the confidence you'll build, the peace that comes from finally keeping your word. This is your rebirth. This is the moment the old you dies and the real you steps forward. Not next week, not next month, not when life gets easier. Now, because every great story starts the same way, with one decision, one step, one day where you say, enough, I rise. So here's your challenge. Be 1% better today. Just 1%. One promise kept, one step forward, one battle won. And tomorrow, you do it again, brick by brick, day by day, until 1 year from now, people look at you and ask, bro, what happened to you? Tell them this, PC Better Days, because that's not just a name. That's your identity now. Your reminder that your future is stronger than your past. And listen, if this message lit even a small fire in you, don't just scroll away. Lock in with us. Stay on this path. Subscribe so you never fall back into the person you're trying to escape. This is your moment. This is your shift. These are your better days. PC Better Days. Remember the name. Live the message.